everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I have a haul. I've been doing some shopping. Vitacost, Flourish, plant therapy. So let's just jump right in and I'll show you what I got. I guess we'll start with Vitacost. Laundry. Let's take this out of the stacks. This is making too much noise. There. Laundry soap. I've been using this soap for years. This is from their Clean collection. This is the unscented version, and I prefer my clothes to smell like nothing, so I've always, even when I was using conventional detergents, I've always wanted unscented, but yeah, this is plant-based and all those good, good things that are good for you and not bad for the environment either. And this is some of the best laundry detergent I have ever used in terms of getting things clean. The other item that I picked up from, again, the Clean collection, this is their all-purpose cleaner. This particular fragrance is the orange scent. Again, this is plant-based. It comes with a spray. You put it that way. It says on here it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. But yeah, it's this is very effective on pretty much any household surface that you have. And this is another product that I've purchased many, many times as well because I love it in the kitchen, bathroom, wherever. I like to use this. So, and then a new purchase was since I've loved the other products from the Clean collection, this is their toilet bowl cleaner in the peppermint scent. And it's great. I just used it. Yeah, this is, it works like any other toilet bowl cleaner, but it has things like citric acid, glycolic acid, and that's what it uses to clean with. So much better for the environment, much safer for you, and it smells really good too. Recently, I tried a box of this organic India Tulsi tea. This is the sweet rose flavor, and this says it's stress relieving and magical. And the first time I had this, I was like amazed because I was so like relaxed, and I blew through a box of this in like no time because I had, every night before bedtime because I would sleep really, really well, and I couldn't figure out why I was sleeping so great because I wasn't really taking any magnesium at that time. I kind of forgot about it. And I realized once I started looking up holy basil, which is what the Tulsi is, it's loaded with magnesium. So that's why I was sleeping like a rock. So I got 2 boxes of the rose, sweet rose Tulsi, as well as the lemon ginger, and this is just as nice. I've tried this as well, and this definitely has a rose fragrance and a slight rose flavor, I guess you would call it. The lemon ginger, you definitely get a hint of ginger, but it's not too strong at all. So organic India tea is my new tea favorite. Oh, and the tea bags are made from bamboo, so they're corn-free, and they're, made out of a plant material. This winter, I have gone through every jar, bottle, tube, sample size of body lotion, face cream, body oil, and body butter that I had in the house. Every travel size, sample size. They're finally, like I was cleaning everything out and using everything up. So I have now done that. I made it through the entire winter, and now I'm ready to restock. So I picked up from Andalou Naturals the body lotion in the 1000 Roses scent. The scent is this open yet? Yeah, it's rose, but it's very, very light. And I got this because I have a little bottle of Dr. Bronner's Rose Castile soap, and the Heritage Home, I think it's Heritage, I'll look it up, their spray. I'll show you. Yeah, I picked up the Castile soap from Dr. Bronner's, and then this rose water spray from a Heritage store. That's what I was trying to say. And so I love the idea of having a lotion to go along with those, so that's why I picked up the Andalou. And then I also, because I have been looking high and low for a reasonably priced body lotion that is fragrance-free, that didn't have phenoxyethanol in it, although I was at the point where it was, I was like, well, I guess I'm just going to have to deal with the phenoxyethanol if I want something fragrance-free. And the reason is because I wanted, you know, if I'm wearing a fragrance or a scented oil or anything like that on my upper body, then on my lower body I don't want to smell like anything. So a viewer, her name is Sean, she goes by Ms. B on YouTube. She mentioned that she had gotten the Shea Butter Brulee from Davita. I had completely forgotten that Davita has body products, and this is fragrance free. There's no phenoxyethanol or anything like that in here. And this was on sale at Vitacost, and I had an extra coupon. So this is this should last for a good amount of time. This is 7 ounces, it says. So I was very happy that Sean mentioned that, and I told her I was going to definitely pick it up in my next Vitacost order, and I did. So that's it for Vitacost. Next, I also put in yet another order to Plant Therapy for essential oils, and this time I picked up, there was a limited edition. It's called their Lucky Blend, and this is a citrus, very light, refreshing citrus blend that I wanted to put in the diffuser, you know, because the house has been closed up for the most part for several weeks now, and so this is wonderful in the diffuser. And then I also got Germ Fighter, and that's because, well, let me tell you what this is first. So this is called Germ Fighter, and it's a blend of lemon, clove, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and rosemary. And this blend is modeled after the Thieves blend of oils, which back in the 15th century, when Europe was racked by plague, there was a group of grave robbers who would go into the homes and rob plague victims, people who were dying or died or had recently died. And these thieves, these group of thieves, before they would go out to grave rob or whatever, they would douse themselves in a perfume oil, and that oil kept them from getting sick. So when they got arrested eventually and got caught, the magistrate said that he would be lenient with them if they would tell him what they were doing in order to rob these people and not get the plague. The oil blend that they were using is the one that's in Germ Fighter. If you are familiar with Young Living, they have trademarked the word Thieves Oil and their blend. So although the recipe for the oil is out there for anybody to, you know, use, they just can't call it Thieves. So you know, every I guess essential oil company has their blend of this oil that really does kill germs. I mean, if you want to go to YouTube and search, you can find many people have used the Thieves Oil blend in tests with you know, bacteria killing tests with other things like Clorox and, you know, Pine Sol and things like that, and it works better. In fact, on my Facebook page, I have a lady who did a similar test. She used 6 different oils, including Thieves oil, 6 different, you know, germ-killing products, including the Thieves, and it worked better than everything that she tested in her little petri dishes. So anyway, yeah, I got this too. I've already used this in like a household cleaner. For cleaning up in the kitchen, particularly after, you know, dealing with poultry and other meats and things like that, or just really to make sure that you know, all bacteria is dead in the kitchen. You can also, if you're sick or you feel like you're getting sick, you can diffuse this to kill germs in the air. And the fragrance is really, really nice. The orange really kind of gives it a really sort of clean feel to it. So I was very happy with both my purchases from Plant Therapy this time. Then I went to Flourish because I was also out of soaps and body body washes. What's wrong with me today, God? So I went to Flourish and I ordered a new body wash. This is in the Rosewood and Angelica. Rosewood is a tree. And I have to say, oh, I am getting something. Yeah, it'll be interesting to try this because the body washes tend to have a very similar profile, but the lotions and body butters are completely different. I'm not going to say too much because I want to do a full-on review of Flourish because in addition to that, I picked up their lip balm in the ginger, and then they sent me samples of things. So I've got sample of their new Sublime Citrus Body Scrub. I've got the travel size of the Lavender Mint and Wild Clover Body Butter, and their body butters are amazing, especially if you don't like a greasy feel but want to be really hydrated. But again, let me shut up. Also the Patchouli Tangerine Body Butter and the Honey Blossom and Marshmallow Root Lotion, which smells delicious. Nothing like the soap, the body wash at all. And then the Lemongrass and Melissa lotion as well. So I do want to do like a separate full-on review because I can tell you right now that they have gone to the top of my list in terms of favorite body products. Well, there's a short list. There's about 4 or 5 different, like companies that are really good. But the quality of their of everything that I have tried so far has been outstanding. And then finally, the last place that I put in an order was at Amazon. I had some points a lot of points that I needed to use up. So I picked up the Inner Sense Hydrating Conditioner because I'm almost out of my conditioning mask that I use right now. And I also got something called Green Tidings. Oops, there we go. Green Tidings, and this is a deodorant. This comes highly recommended by Laura from Laura's Natural Life, and I'll link her review of it below. This is an all-natural deodorant. It has a really good ingredient list, very short, clean ingredients. This one is the unscented version, and it actually has no scent. They also have a lavender version. And if you go to their website, they have here I can tell you what's in it. Coconut oil, shea, magnesium chloride, tapioca, baking soda, candelia wax, and then if you get the lavender one, then it has a fragrance to it. But yeah, they have, if you go to their website, they have a lot of information about how to make natural deodorants work for you if they haven't. For example, if they said that if you develop any kind of a sensitivity, you can use apple cider vinegar for a few days to sort of bring your underarm back to its natural pH, and then you should be able to continue using the product. So I've been using it for about 3 days, and I don't have any smell. I'm so happy. And it doesn't, you get a little bit of wetness, but in the grand scheme of things, I could care less as long as, it keeps odor under control. So I'll have more to say about this, I'm sure, at some point. But yeah, Green Tidings natural deodorant. Check them out on Amazon or on their website. Is that it? I got everything. Okay, everybody. Thanks so much. The only thing that I didn't get to show you today is I ordered some soaps because I'm out of bar soaps too, but they're on back order. So once they come in, I'll probably, make a mention about that. But yeah, that's my spring haul, I guess, getting ready for, you know, going from winter into spring. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe, because I'd love to have you, and I wouldn't want you to miss my next video because I have no clue what it's going to be. But yeah, so until I do see you again, everyone, take good care of yourselves. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!